Hello everyone, so in this video I'll teach you guys how to get Canva Pro for free. And so it's under educational plan, but it's really easy to get and it's no clickbait. So let's get started. So I'll be showing a demo here in incognito mode, so search for Bingo Tingo Canva Pro. So you'll be redirected to this page and go to the first link. So it is this link I'll be attaching in the description as well if it permits me. And scroll, so it does have a lot of ads, so scroll down till you reach this page. So you will actually have to wait till you get the access button, so wait for a few seconds. Now after waiting for what feels like forever, you'll be shown this button. So click it once, you'll be redirected to some sort of ad, or if you have good luck, you'll be shown this page. So click on get here. So for the first few tries, you'll be shown few ads. Just close it and click on the button again. See, boom, you have a link to join someone's class. So it's completely safe. Join until you can, and once the access is over, follow the same pattern again. So you can use anything from Google, Microsoft, or anything to join. So that's great, isn't it?
Now like, share, and subscribe.